Whether you are a professional carpenter or just looking for home improvement tools, a circular saw is among the essential things that should be in your toolbox. A top-notch circular saw has a powerful blade that cuts through wood, making it a reliable workhorse for DIY home projects. Are you confused about the best circular saw to purchase? To help you save the time and money, we've looked at the best circular saws available right now. In the first position, we have a really powerful heavy-duty circular saw from SKIL. It arrives with a big 7.25 inches blade size that will be more than enough for most people. The single beam laser guides cuts with increased accuracy, while the integrated dust blower keeps the line of cut sawdust free. It comes with a 15 amp motor that has high torque, and a low speed helps to ensure that the saw is durable, versatile, and retains the quality of the cut to the highest possible standard. It also has an impressive no-load speed of up to 5,300 RPM, which means that the circular saw can go through the metal faster and with less effort required from you when cutting. The saw's handle is reasonably comfortable and its safety is within reach of the hand on the trigger. The 51-degree bevel, with a positive stop at 45 degrees, gives a variety of cut options, while blade changes are easier with a spindle lock and on-tool wrench. This makes your work much more comfortable and much quicker, so you can finish your projects and contracts in a shorter time frame. And at last, it also comes with a decent 1-year warranty period. If you are new to woodworking in general or circular saws in particular, then you want a solid, reliable tool that isn't too difficult to use and isn't too expensive. Luckily, the DeWalt DCS391B fits the bill. The DCS391's design and ergonomics make it feel significantly lighter than other saws we found, despite having roughly the same heft. This cordless circular saw runs off a 20-volt battery, so you will need to purchase that separately if you don't already own one. Weighing in at 7 pounds, more importantly, it easily slices up material. The rubber handle feels comfortable even after several cuts, and, after an hour of use, the battery only reduces by a third. Its top speed is 5,150 RPM, and it has a maximum cutting depth of 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees. It can bevel up to 50 degrees for angled cuts, and when at a 45-degree angle, you'll still have a cutting depth of 1 5/8 inches. It comes packing a high-grade magnesium alloy shoe and a quick blade brake that kicks in instantly after removing your finger from the saw's trigger. While equipped with a small 6.5-inch blade, it proves capable of completing bevel cuts on 2x4 lumber without pause. The molded handle of the saw is comfortable and secure within your grip, making it easier to keep your cut straight and true. The Worx WX429L is a compact or mini circular saw that has just one handle. If you want a versatile, lightweight circular saw that slices through 2 times lumber, then WX429L is the right one. It is small enough to be easy to maneuver in tight spots, but still powerful enough to handle just about any common DIY project. This compact, corded tool has a 4.5-inch blade, a 4-amp motor, and a top speed of 3,500 RPM. It only takes one hand to hold this light circular saw. It's lightweight, so you can operate it with one hand. That weight also allows you to make more precise cuts and work longer with less fatigue. It can bevel up to 45 degrees, and thanks to the left-sided blade, you have a clear line of vision while you cut. Worx tools are engineered with cutting-edge technology and above modern efficiency standards, so you can build a cost-effective tool collection that's been designed to last. It includes a parallel guide to help you make perfectly straight cuts, which can sometimes be tricky with compact saws. It can also make plunge cuts up to 1 11/16 inch deep. While this isn't the tool for very heavy-duty cutting of large materials, it's an excellent choice for general use and DIY projects. The Makita 5007 MGA Sidewinder Circular Saw properly describes the words strong, powerful, lightweight, and feature-rich. Magnesium Circular Saw features highly durable magnesium components and a powerful 15-amp Makita-built industrial motor. The 5007 mg seamlessly balances weight, power, durability, and ease of use, making it the most refined circular saw on the market. The way the handle feels and the clearance between the handle and the blade housing are all things to consider. The Makita 5007 MGA has very good rubberized handles that allow you to grip the saw firmly with comfort. There's also enough clearance between the saw rear handle and the blade case, which really makes it easy and comfortable for anyone no matter the size of your hand. The ducting design of the blade housing also helps to blow away with dust away from the cut line as you make your cuts. Additionally, it can also be used in small woodworking spaces as well as by on-site woodworkers. However, this saw is versatile and can be used for domestic and commercial purposes. The DeWalt DWE575SP is a fantastic machine with outstanding features that make it easy to use. This circular saw is powered by a strong battery system with a power rating of 20 volts. It also features a bevel gear design which allows users to cut 57° that stops at 45° and 22.5°. Just like any other DeWalt power tool out there, this one is also extremely durable and strong. If worm drive saws are known for their beastly power and torque, sidewinders are known for being lightweight and being easier to maneuver. The DeWalt DWE575SP is one of the most compact and lightweight sidewinders out there right now. With a weight of only 8.8 pounds, tackling overhead tasks with it is certainly not going to be an issue for anyone. An anti-snag lower guard fitted with ball bearings ensures the lower guard moves fluidly as cut through lumber of varying thicknesses. The DeWalt DWE575SP features a tough cord protection system that gives 3 times strength to the cord and protects them against pullouts and abuse of any kind. Designed for people with workshops or people looking for personal home improvement tools, among other uses. This particular circular saw includes a 3-year-long warranty, which is one of the highest on this list.